Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse. If you're new here, you're so much welcome. Please remember to subscribe. It's free on your end and leave on the bell for the notifications to always find you every time we upload. We are back and we are serious. And today I have this rice here, this chicken here, and this leftover marinade. We are going to turn it into a meal. Stay around and let's go on a ride. You're going to start with your chicken. We're going to pour in this marinade. If you do not know where this marinade is coming from, please go back a few videos down. You're going to see the recipe, my basic go-to marinade, and then you're going to be able to make it. And you can make so many things out of this. I'll also show you how you can make gravy with it, so many things. Okay? You need to subscribe for that to be effective. All right, so you go in and mix this properly. Set it aside to rest, chop some vegetables, and then you get to cook. We are going to first brown our chicken, skin side down. And once it has browned on one side, you want to turn it so that the other side can also brown. I have passed in some water in the jar that had the marinade. I'm going to pour it in here. Then I will add in some black pepper, some cumin, and then I'm going to crumble in some chicken seasoning cubes. It's from that moment that I'm going to add in my rice. You can wash yours, I don't want to wash mine. Then mix properly and let these guys get to know each other perfectly. These were previously frozen. If you have stock, you can add in, but I do not, so I'm going to add in water. The usual 2 to 1. Test for seasoning. If it's not good, you add in some salt. I am going to cover this and let it first simmer the first time, then I'm going to return the chicken. See you then. So we return the chicken.